Welcome to Cointiply, ladies and gentlemen, a free cryptocurrency earning platform where you can claim faucets, you can participate in pay to click, you can spin wheels, you can open mystery boxes, complete missions, bonuses, offer walls, surveys, and so on and so forth to earn. Before we get into the details, let me get this disclaimer out of the way that this is not a financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor, so you endeavor to do your research and be responsible for actions taken after watching this. So today is another first of the month, and like I said the last time, this platform does monthly referral contest, right? You must not be the highest on the list to win. They draw a raffle, so for certain people with this amount of referrals for the month are automatically entered, and you could win $20, $40, or $100. So today is 1st of July, and I logged in, and this is what I found: 407,048 points, and it's equivalent to 40 USD. Now let's go to my history and see how that is earned. So we click on the menu here, click on account, click on history. So under history here, let's scroll through. These are some of the ads that I've watched. So let's scroll 16 hours ago. Let's go to the next, and here it is. So it says I won this 400,000 coins from the monthly referral contest, and I came number 5, right? It's a bonus. You're not paying anything. Once you're referring people, you don't even need to know that you're in the referral contest. You don't need to do anything special. Once someone registers using your referral link, you have automatically entered. So let's click on menu here, click on earn. Let's go to share and earn, and this is the page. So let's scroll through. I have a total of 2003 referrals, and down here, this is the current leaderboard. So the current contest will end on the 31st of July. That's the last day of the month, right? So these are the winners. All right, so this is me here with $40. I got 140 entries, right? You can see I came number 5, even though the person below me has more entries. The person below, so it does not necessarily mean the higher your entries, the more chances, right? However, the person with 3,516 referrals got $100. That's the peak. Before now, the highest person will get 700 and so on, but they have beat down the prices. Now the highest is 100, and then 40 for 5 persons, 20 for another 5 persons, making a total of 11 persons every month, right? So that's what's up. I've earned this. Now let's try to cash it out. From here you can click on start withdrawal already. So the withdrawal options are Bitcoin, minimum of 50,000 coins, that's $5. There is Dash, minimum of 30,000, that's $3. There is Doge, minimum of 30,000, that's $3. And Litecoin, $3 as well. So which one do you want to go with? Let's say I want to withdraw in Doge. So my Doge address is here. So in my inbox here, and to approve this payment button is here. So I click on approve this payment. And this opens here. That's the amount I'm expecting the wallet. Yeah, then I click on approve my payment. And it says payment approved, right? But it's still pending. That's the current status. So you just wait for it, give it a couple of minutes, hours, and it will go to your wallet, because I've made many withdrawals from here and none has failed so far. So here is the withdrawal history. This is the current one that is pending. This is the last one in LTC since June 8th. Was paid LTC December 11th, Doge 24th August, LTC September 2023, LTC April 2023, LTC December 2022, BTC 2022, BTC 2022, BTC 2022, BTC 2021, right? November 2021, and this was $70. This was also from the campaign, right? So that's what's up, guys. I've withdrawn many times from this platform, and none of them has failed just yet. This is no miracle money. You earn it. It's either you're watching PTC ads or you're referring people. So there are chances of you getting paid any other time. So that's what's up. Cointiply is the platform. I'll leave you the link in the pinned comment, and it's on the Telegram page, so you can jump on it, register, and start earning.